This video shows how we made an experimental battery clamp to enable the testing of rechargeable cells. I needed a way to sort my collection of rechargeable cells, so I knew which ones to keep and which ones to throw away. And I bought a proper battery tester. When I say proper, it's because instead of just measuring the voltage and the internal resistance, this tester discharges a fully charged cell and measures the current over time to see how long it lasts. This will prove the cell's true capacity, and it's a great way of finding out if you bought counterfeit cells which are marked with a higher capacity than they actually have. Unfortunately, my tester didn't come with a battery holder, so I needed a reliable way to connect the wires. Now, there are battery holders on the market like this, but I didn't really want to order one and wait, and I thought it might be fun to make another project. So I had a look round and I found a small adjustable clamp which I thought would do nicely, and then devised a method of construction. And I thought it was so easy that even a child could build it. And to prove it, I decided to enlist the help of my 7-year-old niece, and this would be her first project. So the young hands you see making the project are hers. So first we got a couple of drawing pins or thumbtacks which were used for the contacts to the battery. And the first thing we do is remove the sharp points, either by bending them flat or cutting them off. And in this case, we decided to cut them off. Then we soldered the wire to the underside of the trike. And then it's just a simple matter of pressing a blob of blue tack onto the underside of each tack and pressing them onto the jaws of the clamp. Now, a couple of things to note here. The speaker wire that I've used is because speaker wire handles quite a bit of current and it still remains flexible, so that's a good idea. And the reason I used a clamp was to make sure that we had a really good connection, because these batteries have got to be in for quite some time. So that's the project completed. It's holding the cell nice and tight, and this is the setup I use. It's an old PC power supply with an adapter on the front, and it provides 12 volts to the tester, and it works quite well. So don't forget to subscribe and click like if you want to see more videos.